What is the rule? According to Rule 28, it provides a procedure in case of anticipation by a prior publication. What that rule says is that the controller shall communicate the gist of specific objections and the basis to the applicant, and the applicant shall be afforded an opportunity to amend his specification. That is a important thing, communication by the patent office. As per Rule 29, the controller allows a period of 2 months for removing, and we know that you have, if that objections are coming, you have to reply and you have to clarify that objections. If the applicant contests any of the objections, or if he reflects his specifications along with his observation as to whether or not the specification is to be amended, he shall be given an opportunity to be heard, that is a hearing. To give such opportunity, that hearing will be fixed, and we know that the controller that video conferencing facility is also there, or you can go in person and attend the hearing. Controller will fix a date and time for that hearing, right. So, applicant will be given a notice, at least 10 days notice for such hearing. So, he can plan for that particular hearing.